What is breach of fiduciary duty by a trustee? Have you ever wondered what happens when a trustee does not act in the best interest of the beneficiaries? This situation is known as a breach of fiduciary duty. In the realm of estate planning and elder law, understanding this concept is vital. A trustee has a legal obligation to manage and administer a trust according to its terms. This means they must prioritize the interests of the beneficiaries above their own. So, what exactly constitutes a breach of fiduciary duty? First, let's look at the basic idea of fiduciary duty. This is a legal responsibility that requires trustees to act with loyalty, impartiality, and care in managing trust assets. When a trustee fails to meet these obligations, it can lead to serious issues. One common type of breach is misappropriation of assets. This occurs when a trustee uses trust funds for personal expenses or benefits. For example, if a trustee pays their own bills using trust money, that is a clear violation of their duties. Another significant issue is conflict of interest. A trustee must avoid situations where their personal interests could interfere with their responsibilities. If a trustee has a financial connection to a beneficiary, they need to be transparent about it. Failing to disclose such conflicts can lead to a breach of fiduciary duty. Negligent management is also a concern. If a trustee does not manage or invest trust assets properly, it can result in financial losses for the beneficiaries. For instance, if a trustee ignores investment opportunities or fails to pay attention to market changes, the trust could suffer. Additionally, trustees are required to keep accurate records and provide regular financial updates to beneficiaries. If they do not fulfill this duty, it can be considered a breach. In the context of elder law and estate planning, these conflicts can become even more complicated. A trustee who is also a beneficiary must be especially careful to ensure their actions do not favor themselves over other beneficiaries. The consequences of breaching fiduciary duty can be severe. Beneficiaries may take legal action against the trustee, which could lead to financial penalties or even removal from their position. They might also seek compensation for any losses caused by the trustee's actions. Ethically, trustees must maintain a high standard of conduct. This means avoiding self-dealing, properly managing conflicts of interest, and taking care of trust assets. By understanding the responsibilities and potential pitfalls, both trustees and beneficiaries can navigate these complex relationships more effectively. In summary, a breach of fiduciary duty by a trustee involves failing to act in the best interest of the beneficiaries. This can stem from mismanagement, conflicts of interest, or personal gain. Knowing these concepts is essential for anyone involved in estate planning and elder law.